And this is a soap. I apply the soap into my body, and this is a charger, and I charge into my brain, and I can know more things.
Wow. Zoujam,
Oi,
come.
Ihan.
Advertise boldan
Làm nhất là xây chỗ nè.
sa panghol chula na thanomam.
Cả thân.
Thanom na. Acting piha audition ai chi masanga na. Nya khat ina na ki chu ngai cha.
Ôi đấy.
Ya chu lun masanga test na bol tun ka masanga na bol ngai so boy.
Ôi đấy.
Sa pang advertise bol ho ako na.
Cô mi ra cho nắm thầy hầm lẽ.
Kum nga pa na kum som chan ki hola ya chu nang kum ki to chat na. To hi office ai chi masanga nang test in bol to. Guys, Zoujam in to hi acting rehearsal kitila na advertise boldan dan. Adi chu film audition a chi ding hi jin a chi masanga na khat kamasang ta hi ina khom de acting and bol te he. Asil English tone.
Đi tạm lẽ.
Panjang ta.
This is a toothbrush and this is a toothpaste, and I put the toothpaste into the toothbrush and I brush my teeth and my teeth can be clean. And this is the face wash, and I keep it in my hand. I wash my face, and my face can be soft and clean. Oh my God. And this is a soap. I apply the soap into my body, and I take this water and I apply it into my body, and I can be clean and soft.
Wow.
And this is a charger, and I charge into my brain, and I can know more things.
Wow, super.
And this is a scissor, and I cut my hair with the scissor, and my hair can be stylish.
Your hair can be
Nice. And this is a lipstick, and I apply it in my lip, and my lip will be beautiful. And this is a coconut oil for my hair and for the body massage. And this is a makeup, and I apply the red makeup into my face, and I'm going to become more beautiful and cute.
wow, great.
That's all. Thank you.
Guys, I think it's perfect na sana ba mo nalunggelo ko man nan say kayo. Oh, advertise ka boldan dan role ala ay na. To chu hichen tui ta ho. Ni dang le sa hoy hoy kan bol kitan le ka pa cha na. Tinang thank you today. Good night bol.
Good night. Bye bye.